Watch this video to the end because I am going to give you the roadmap that you need to make your first profits from prop firms or even your live accounts in 2025. All right, so this is a big picture video where I will be telling you exactly what steps that you have to overcome or you are going to have to overcome in order to become a trader that can make withdrawals. Trading edge, a technical edge, that is just absolutely needed. The foundation is a technical edge. So you actually need to have a way of making money consistently every time you step on the charts. By that, what I mean is every time you go on the charts, the way you look for a trade, the way you operate as a trader is the same. You're looking for the same type of setups maybe. You're looking for the same market conditions. Like there are many factors under this umbrella of having a technical edge, but in a big sense of view, which is what I want you to have, like a bigger sense of view so you can actually kind of start thinking for yourself, like how do I make this technical edge for myself? It's just a way to be consistent. You are going to trade for the next 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years for the rest of your life. And so you need a way to do that consistently. You need to wake up and just like you brush your teeth, you want to wake up and you go on the charts and it's like brushing your teeth. It's the same way. It's the same steps. It's the same process. It's the same systems. And so there's no confusion. And when you do that, like when you actually have that, like a lot of emotional problems, psychological problems will start disappearing themselves because you have a consistent method. You are like brushing your teeth. You know, you don't wake up and when you start brushing your teeth, you start questioning, how do I brush my teeth? I don't know how to brush my teeth. Like you just do it. You don't even think about it. You don't even, you're not even aware that you are brushing your teeth most of the time. We just do it. Some of us like to drink coffee when we wake up. We just do it. We don't think about it, right? So your trading technical edge is that thing, is that brushing your teeth. You just do it. And you need to build that technical edge. And you can do that through back testing and demo testing. That's how you build that technical edge so that you actually know how to execute it, how to make it work and how to make it not work so that you understand it so completely. It's like wearing a leather glove, like a really nice, luxurious leather glove that really fits your hand, and those look really good. And so a technical edge is that thing. It's this suit that you're making for yourself, that leather glove. It needs to fit you, and that is a technical edge. It's not just about charts and indicators. It's got so much to do with everything. You need to incorporate your life into it, and that makes a technical edge. And when you have that technical edge, now the rest of the game is just persistence and consistency. You just have to trade and just be consistent with it, just be persistent with it, and that's that. What else you're gonna need is reality creation and peak performance, because now you are actually just acting as if you are an athlete. And so as an athlete, you want to train to stay on top of your game. You want to really know what's up, really know where your strengths are, where your weaknesses are. And these things you build in, peak performance, like really putting yourself as if you're Stephen Curry or something. You are LeBron James, you are Usain Bolt, Cristiano Ronaldo. Peak performance, staying on top of your game, reality creation. How does life work? How do I make things happen? How do I kind of not have to force things to happen for me, instead let things happen for me instead of going out and having to grab things? How about they come to me? Like there are ways to do that. There are techniques to do that. And it's real. It's done. Like it's done. People do it. People are doing it. And if you're not doing it, then you gotta get on the train, because that's the easiest way to kind of just get the life you want. It's not that hard. It's easy. It's easy. You want it to be easy. and have fun, because this is life. Now we get into a philosophical train of thought where it's life. This is life. We don't know how long we are going to be alive. Like, just because we are living this moment right here, right now, does not mean the next moment is also available to us. And that's why you call the present moment the present, right? It is a present, it is a gift. And so this is the big picture roadmap of what a trader's journey is going to look like and how you are going to make your first withdrawal. You need a technical edge. So if right here, right now, you don't have that, where you can consistently show me, like, give me data and reports and like show me like this makes money, then you got to get that covered. And then when you do have that covered, then what remains is just improving yourself as a human being, because from a trading point of view, the technical edge is what makes you money. That is your business. Now, how well this business goes and works is based upon how well you understand yourself and your performance, and at the same time, do you know how to create your own reality, right? You could create your own reality and say, I just want $1,000, or you could create your own reality and say, I want $10,000. And it's just a thought. It's just a thought, and you can have whatever you want. So shifting your identity to somebody that easily achieves the results that you want is going to be that final piece. And that honestly is going to be a forever ongoing piece. It's going to be like going to the gym and making yourself better and better, because each new level you come to, you're going to encounter some new kind of demon, and you're going to have to work through that. And that's just the fun part, because you asked for something more, and now you're becoming stronger, you're becoming greater as a human being to achieve that something more. And that's such a beautiful process. That's life. But that would be how you go about making your first withdrawal this month. I am in a community, links in the description, where there are many other traders who are going through the same process and working their way to the first withdrawal for themselves. And it's so exciting to be part of them and share their progress and see what they're up to, and also kind of guide them sometimes. It's awesome. Go check it out. Link in the description. See ya on the next video.